Hello everyone, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in and joining us for this one. We're looking at new close-ups I've done of anomalies I've featured a couple of years ago. This is near Bianchini in the southern mid-latitudes of Mars in a region called Aonia Terra. The photograph is USGS Dune database entry number 2608-626, acquired on the 10th of December 2020 at 24.7 centimeters per pixel. And I'm showing you images I cropped from the JP2 black and white map projected file. There's a look at the strange Dune field, and the anomalies I'll be showing you are some of these bright specks in this area. At the time of this video, the HiRISE team hadn't loaded that photograph to Google Earth Mars yet, so it's roughly in the middle of Aonia Terra at 62 degrees 47 minutes south, 98 degrees 55 minutes west. And to start off with, we're looking at the strange blocks or slabs. Check this one out, guys. Use the scale indicator here at the bottom right to roughly estimate how big these are. So this one's about 10 meters across. This is how it looked way back when I first presented it using PhotoZoom Pro 7. With the detail on this thing. Nice right angles, very straight edges. And then this strange part that sort of overarches this item. I don't know what that could be. Looks as if it's slightly rounded as well. Could that there be a cover of sorts? Alright, then we're looking at this block, about 8 by 8 in size. So again, right angles to it. This one's more rounded at the edges, but then again there's also this strange part with a rounded edge on the top of this block. This is a huge part. Check this out. Possibly see about 12 by 12 in size. So right angles to it. And a small protrusion or knob on the top. This one's a little more rectangular. So it has these rounded edges and a strange triangular part sort of embedded on the surface. And you'll see lots of these triangles in the upcoming anomalies. Check these out, folks. This is about 10 meters across. Strange parts on the sides. Check this out. I don't know what that could be, but we've got the rectangle, squares, and then the round object. So it's a very strange phenomenon to find the blocks and these disc-like or flattened dome-like anomalies. Check the one side of this piece. It's also got this sort of transparent look to it. It's almost like a fossilized shell. And there the two are for comparison. Could these be huge fossils? And then this item, notice the triangular opening. And this is right there in the center again. Very neat anomaly this. Looks almost like a fingernail. But this is right there in the center again. Very geometrical and symmetrical as well. There's one of those with a small triangle on the top. And that we see in this as well. are these openings. Again, strange triangular or conical feature in the center. And again, the triangle on the top is repeated on this object. And in this case, there's a hole near the center of this block. These remind me of those megaliths you find at ruins down in South America. And over here, another triangular opening. And there the two are for comparison. Very similar in size and shape. And then I thought I'd throw this one in. Looks like a giant bone, vertebrae. Maybe it's a sculpture of something. Don't know. Hold on everyone, we're zooming down to that site. This is in Aonia Terra. We have Bianchini over here to the bottom right. It's about 100 kilometers to the southeast. And there's a look at those anomalies I just featured briefly. In summary, right, let's check out some other anomalies close by. I'll be doing these new close-ups in the near future as well. Looks like a slot in that item and a small triangular object almost sticking into the opening. Another one of those blocks with a square hole in it. Check, there's another one, folks. Another small triangular object on that one. Looks almost like a container. Another block with a hole right there in its center. Let's have a chat in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinion as to what we just checked out. Let's see if we can get to the bottom of what we might be looking at. Take care everyone. Michelle and I will see you in the next one soon. Ciao for now.